Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the linear regression function from a statics module in Python. So this linear regression function returns the slope and intercept of simple linear regression parameters estimated using ordinary least square. The simple linear regression describes the relationship between an independent variable x and a dependent variable y in terms of a linear function, which is this y equal to slope into x plus intercept plus noise, where this slope and intercept are the regression parameters that are estimated, and noise represents the variability of the data. So in simple word, this noise is equal to the difference between predicted and actual values of the dependent variable. So when we are using this function, we have to ensure that both inputs x and y must be of the same length, and the independent variable x cannot be a constant, otherwise this function will raise an error, which is statics error. So let's take a very simple example that we would have weight and price. Okay, so we have weight of product and price of that product in rupees. So let's assume that we have weight and prices, and this is the data, this is the entire data for us. So weight is the weight of product, and this price is the corresponding price against this weight of the product of x. Okay, and if you look at this data, then you can see that as the weight increases, our price is also getting increases, right? So there seems to be a linear relation between weights and price. But if you literally want to calculate it, then we can perform the linear regression over here with this data set using the statics.linear regression function. So in order to perform the linear regression, the first thing that we need to do is that we need to import this statics module. So let me import this statics module first. Then we have to use this linear regression function, but this linear regression function will return us the slope and intercept, right? We have to have two variables where we can store the output. So let's say I'm putting slope comma intercept equal to statics, which is s for us over here, as we have declared it as s. So s dot linear underscore regression, then we have to give the first argument. So for us, the first argument as data is weight, and the second argument or the y dataset is price. Now if I run this, we are not getting any output because we have not printed it, right? So let me write print slope and print intercept. And now if I run this, you can see that we are getting 50 as slope and intercept as 0, right? Using this slope and intercept, we can predict the price of a particular product with a certain weight, right? So let's say that I have another weight which has been given as 6 kilograms, and I want to predict the price of that product with a weight of 6 kg. In that case, I can write predicted price equal to, and in the starting of our video we have discussed this, right? So for prediction we can use this function, which is slope into x plus intercept plus noise, right? So for us, we would not use the noise, but for slope we have this slope variable. For x we are going to use 6 over here because we are going to predict the price for 6 kilogram. So we'll write slope into 6, then plus intercept. So intercept is this variable, right? Now if I print this predicted price over here, okay, I have a spelling mistake over here. So predicted price, and now if I run it, you can see that we are getting the predicted price as 300. So this 50 is the slope So this means that the price increases by 50 rupees for each 1 kg increase in the weight. And intercept 0 means that when the weight is 0, the price will be 0. So this is how basically you can use the linear regression function from the statics module in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.